Is this thing on? Hey.
Do you not know how to work it?
No, I don't know. I got it from my mom.
Well, you better figure out fast.
Fine. I think it's on.
Okay. Ready?
Yes. Come on.
Okay, hi. This is Sydney and Kelly.
Hey.
And why are we here?
Well, I don't know. You brought me here.
Oh my god, I told you! We found this website, or I found this website, and it's got all this crazy information about like the Spurlock family. They were a cult, I think, back in the 60s, and they killed a bunch of people, and then the cops came, and then they just disappeared.
Yeah, right.
I told you! It's true!
Really?
That's why we're here, to get proof.
You brought me out here for this?
Yes! Now, do you believe me or not? Are you gonna actually play along and... Well, let's go. Let's try and find
Fine, let's go. Sydney, I can't see a thing.
Well, you better figure it out.
Oh my
Imagine if something
God.
like poked out of the bush and what?
Just tall. You think someone else was here?
Well, duh, the Spurlocks. Ooh, I wonder if their ghosts come out. It's Halloween.
Come on, that's not funny.
It is. Are you scared? Are you scared?
Stop. Come on.
Dude, what's that building over there? Look at that. What is that?
Oh my God. It looks abandoned.
It's all like broken down.
I wonder how old it is.
Ooh, maybe it was part of the original Spurlock house. Finally starting to believe me?
Ooh.
Look how tall it is.
Oh my God.
This is awesome.
We're gonna get lost in here, you know?
I'll protect you.
Yeah, right. Oh, God. Are they burning something?
Oh, you know what? Yeah, you know what it smells like? It smells like burning flesh.
Gross.
Tasty.
Whoa. Hey, what is that?
This thing is huge. Oh my god.
Why do you think they put it there?
To scare off the people. Not the crows. Oh, dude,
Hey!
there's more.
How's the weather up there? Oh. Looks like a...
What's he been eating? This one,
Ugh.
Dude, there's a cave.
Oh, God. Look at it. Wait.
What?
Show them how tall it is.
Okay. Well, you're already short, so...
I can't even reach the top.
Wow.
Why do you think they have a bus out here?
I don't know. But I wonder how many kids died in here.
What are you looking at?
It's just cool looking out this way. Seeing all the death from this perspective.
Oh.
Shall we? I think
We
this is our
shall.
stop. Come on, that was funny.
Whoa.
I told you!
Well, do you think someone actually lives here?
If they don't still, they once did.
Well, the lantern's on.
Oh, they're saying come in.
Sydney, I'm not so sure about this.
Why not?
Isn't this breaking and entering?
Not if no one is actually here.
You hear that?
Where are you still there?
Here, I got it.
It's really dark.
I know. Hello?
You're fine. I'm here.
Let me see if anybody else is here.
Oh my god. You're fine. You're okay. You did it? Come on. Come on.
Was that all of it? Oh my god.
Come on.
This happened so long ago, then why is all this stuff still here?
Actually, that's a really good question.
Well, that wasn't so bad, was it?
Oh my god!
Sydney! Sydney!